real estate broker and financial expert. Today we're going to talk about credit cards and for the elderly. Well, for the people who are 80 and beyond, and this is not for everybody, okay? Because I'm very responsible and I would never tell you not to pay your credit card. But there comes a time when if you are, and that is not everybody, it's for people who are having fixed income and depend on Social Security and have no other means coming in. And they're stressed out over their debt because they have to pay where they live, and they have debt. They have car payments, they have rentals, and they have to feed themselves, and they have to pay their credit card. So basically, they have problems of a producing person, a person who's supposed to be producing in their lives, but yet with a fixed income. For people who have this problem, let me tell you, do not worry. Credit cards are not attached to vehicles, attached to a house. There's nothing attached to those cards, okay? So they are not going to come and take anything from you if you do not pay them. Now, of course, I'm not saying not to pay them. I say make arrangements if you can. Get the help. There's a lot of places that could help you make payment arrangements and pay what you can. And don't worry. I admire those people who are clear-minded. And those are the ones who get more frustrated because it could be for many reasons. People might not be in their best capacity mentally, in their they forget they're under medication. So many reasons why people will miss their payment, why people will get behind, or they're not able to manage their affairs. But people who are clear-minded, those are the ones who worry the most. And it breaks my heart because they do really stress. They want to be responsible. And I know my grandfather was one of those people who was super responsible. My grandfather was an accountant, and he had paid everything before he died, even including his funeral. And I know a lot of people who from a lot of people worry, like from your generation and in that age group, worry are responsible. But it's don't worry, just make arrangements, don't use it anymore. People will help you if you need food, if you need clothing, but people will not help you with cash. People are funny that way. People are generous with things, and you will get help and accept the help because there comes a time in our lives maybe people are too prideful to ask for help, and they've been the helpers, and now they cannot stand not being able to support themselves. Or it's taboo. Finances are taboo to the day people die. So don't be prideful. Relax. Take it easy because it takes about 20 to 30 years of credit card, and most likely you will not be here, and nothing's gonna happen. Okay, the debt will die with you unless it's joined. But then we'll talk about that in another video. Okay, if it is like I said, credit cards. If it's a vehicle, if you don't pay, what happens? They come and take a vehicle. If you don't pay your house, what happens? They come and kick you out of your home. But if it's credit card, that's not gonna happen. So as long as you have a place to live, your car, your medicine, your food, your insurance, you're good. Okay, don't worry. Take it easy. I hope this has helped you. Till next time. And everybody else, if you're not past 80, do pay your credit cards and make arrangements. Don't be a